It's a bit of a laugh, yeah, it's AI made. Sorry, it's a bit naff. Look at that noise, let's not get too grim. This song's for last Keisha Starship, she's the bloody kingpin. Look at that bitch go tearing up the track. High vis vest, so bright she's never looking back. Fluoro orange glowing, she's the queen of the street. Strutting like a legend with them four furry feet. Last Keisha Starship, she's a rip but no lie. Running to the beach with a spark in her eye. Motorbikes roaring, she's chasing the breeze. But the frisbees are true love, fetching with ease. Sorry about the AI mate, it's a bit of a trope. Generic beats and rhymes, yeah, it's hard to cope. But let's get back to last Keisha, she's the real bloody deal. That dog's got more heart than a Barbie's got zeal. Check her high-vis swagger, she's a tradie's delight. Rocking that vest like she's working a site. She bolts for the beach, motorbike in her sight. Tail wagging so hard, she's ready to take flight. Last Keisha Starship, she's a rip but no lie. Running to the beach with a spark in her eye. Motorbikes roaring, she's chasing the breeze. But the frisbees are true love, fetching with ease. Oh mate, this AI stick's getting old as the hills. Spitting out lyrics like a bolt with no frills. But last Keisha don't care, she's too busy to stress. Chasing that frisbee in her fluoro high-vis dress. She's dodging the waves, leaping high for the catch. No Kelpie or blue heeler could ever match. From the dunes to the surf, she's the talk of the town. Last Keisha Starship, never slowing down. Last Keisha Starship, she's a rip but no lie. Running to the beach with a spark in her eye. Motorbikes roaring, she's chasing the breeze. But the frisbees are true love, fetching with ease. Yeah, sorry about the AI, it's a bit of a farce. But last Keisha's the star, she's got buckets of class. So raise a cold one for the dog with the zest. Last Keisha Starship in her high-vis vest. Yeah, sorry about the AI, it's a bit of a farce. But last Keisha's the star, she's got buckets of class. So raise a cold one for the dog with the zest. Last Keisha Starship in her high-vis vest. Last Keisha Starship, she's a rip but no lie. Running to the beach with a spark in her eye. Motorbikes roaring, she's chasing the breeze. But the frisbees are true love, fetching with ease. Yeah, sorry about the AI, it's a bit of a farce. But last Keisha's the star, she's got buckets of class. So raise a cold one for the dog with the zest. Last Keisha Starship in her high-vis vest.
Good.